In this lecture, we are going to add a glass reflection effect to the fragmented triangle that we have designed in the previous lecture. The concept of adding a glass reflection effect is by adding a white transparent layer to half of the shape. For that, let's make a copy of this fragmented triangle. Insert a rectangle to cut this triangle into half. Let me remove the shape outline and change the fill color with some transparent black so that I can see what's behind this rectangle. For that, let me go to Format Shape, fill it with black and increase the transparency. Now let me zoom in and move the rectangle to the exact half of the triangle. Now let me select the triangle fragments, the rectangle, and then go to Drawing Tools Format tab, Merge Shapes and Fragment. Now let's select these parts alone and drag them like this and delete the rest. Like we did for the rectangle, let's increase the transparency for this triangle fragments too and place it over this triangle and change the fill color to white. That's it. We have added the glass reflection effect to this triangle. But let's zoom in and check whether we have placed it correctly. Using the keyboard arrows, you can move these shapes and check whether you can see any borders along these edges. That's it. In the next lecture, we are going to see how to draw elbow arrow and how to use the connecting endpoints.